Hello viewers, welcome to Nextel.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Zurmo CRM application on Ubuntu 17.04. First of all, Zurmo CRM is a free and open source CRM application. The Zurmo CRM application consists of activity management, contact management, reporting, deal tracking, product management, and etc. It uses gamification to engage and interact with users, which leads to successful CRM implementation. This tutorial will explain how to install Zurmo CRM application on Ubuntu 17.04. The Zurmo CRM application requires a web server to functionally based on LAMP setup on your system and some of the required PHP modules. I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of Zurmo CRM application on my system. Before we have to install the application, we should update the system repository using this following command. Then hit enter. The repository is updating now. The updation was completed now. Now we have to create a new database to accessing a Zurmo CRM application using this following steps. Then hit enter, and then here we have to give the password of root user. The database console is open now, and then here we have to create a new database. Here I have to mention a database name. Then hit enter. Then we have to create the new user and give the privileges to access the database. And then here we have to mention a username. And then here we have to mention a password for this user. Then hit enter. Then we have to flush the privileges. Then hit enter. Now we have to exit from this database console. Then hit enter. Now we have to change into the following directory. And then here we can see the tar package of Zurmo CRM application. I have already downloaded the latest version of Zurmo CRM application. Then I have to extract this file. Then hit enter. The extraction was completed now. Now we have to list out the files. And then here we can see the extracted file. Then we have to move this file into the following directory. Here I have to mention a destination. Then hit enter. Then we have to change into the following directory. Then hit enter. And then here we can see the Zurmo directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for this Zurmo directory. Then hit enter. Then we have to change the permission for this Zurmo directory. Then hit enter. Now we have to make some changes inside a PHP ini configuration file. So we have to open a file. Then hit enter. And then here we have to set the value for date and time zone. Then hit enter. First you have to uncomment this line. Then I have to set the value for Asia, Kolkata. Then we have to set the value for post maximum file size. and then here we have to give the value for 32 MB. Then we have to set the value for uploading maximum file size. Then hit enter, and then here we have to set the value for 32 MB. After making changes, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to create a new virtual host configuration to accessing a Zurmo CRM application. Then hit enter, and then here we have to proceed the virtual host configuration. After configuring virtual host, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to enable the rewrite module. Then hit enter, and then here it will ask for restart the Apache service. So we have to restart the Apache service using this following command. Then hit enter. The service is restarted now. Now we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of Zurmo CRM virtual host configuration file. And then here we have to mention a file name. Then hit enter. And then here also it will ask for restart the Apache service. So we have to restart the service. Then we have to disable the default site access. Then hit enter, and then here also ask for restart the service. So we have to restart the Apache service once again. Now we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL, and then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name. So I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now, and then here we have to click to start, and then it will show on a entry detail about your PHP environment. Then we have to click continue, and then here we have to give the user detail. Here we have to give the database username. Then we have to give the password. Here we have to set the password for super user. And then here we have to check it out the removing existing data. Then we have to click install. The installation is going on. And then we have to click sign in. Now we get a login page of Zurmo CRM application, and then here we have to give the username of super. Then we have to give the password. Then we have to click sign in. The site is open now, and then here we have to choose a time zone. Then we have to click save. Here it will show on a welcome page of Zurmo CRM application, and then here we have to go to the dashboard. The dashboard is open now. Here we can see the major configuration modules. If you want to know what is the version it has been installed Zurmo CRM application on your system, please click here, and then here you can choose about Zurmo. And then here it will show on what is the version it has been installed Zurmo CRM application on your system. These are all the installation process about how to install Zurmo CRM application on Ubuntu 17.04.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.